Hello everybody, Super Collector here. So went to the antique shop earlier throughout the week and I got some trains. Here's what you can see so far. You just seen a sneak peek of that over there, but that's later on. I got that for 50 bucks, but this right here, this flat, got 110 bucks for it, so I might get scammed, might not be. Oh well. I don't care because I've been working with Shelly for a long time. And this is what she had in the back, and she held on to it for me. So we got the Rail R box, Nationwide boxcar pool, and then the Milwaukee Railroad. I don't know what kind of car that is. Then here is a Kansas and Durango and Colorado thing. I've been waiting to figure out the other piece for it. Let me throw this away in the trash can real quick. I've been waiting to find the other piece to this locomotive that I bought at the same antique store for 20 bucks. And I found this for the same price. I was like, 20 bucks is a little bit much, but it does have a working light. Because I helped her test it all. Just not the thing that's over there. What's up at it. But yeah, we'll get it out of here too. Let me figure out something to hold you guys with because I am just like really focused on multiple things right now. Get everything set up on a box. How about that? You know what? No, we'll set it up on a locomotive. I don't know how well y'all will see this if the phone doesn't fall. Alright, there we go. So, we'll set this behind the camera. And then we'll get this pulled out. That's for the locomotive I got. She had to stay on full price for that. But this is the caboose that goes with it. And I don't know how well y'all can see that. I'm sorry. I'm not rich. I don't have a bunch of money for camera holders and everything. So it's got the light in there. It's got the little spotlight that goes up and down. It's movable. Turn it to the right, to the left. Pretty sweet. I like it. It's going with the Kansas, Durango, and Colorado locomotive. I'm keeping the box to this one. I just got to find the original box to the locomotive that I got. And I'll be able to have it there. Let's go for... let's go for these three. I'll save those for last. Because the one needs fixed. So, right here, we got a coal car, I think. Jersey Central lines. Pretty amazing. It's got really good detail. Now, the caboose does not have Cato couplers. It's just got the original ones from the 70s. I don't know if they had Cato knucklers in the back a long time ago. Sorry, I'm struggling. But this was $13.50 for this one. It's really nice. I like it. It'll look good with my trains that I have right now. So, we'll set these two here. Both of these look the same, but they're not. So, let's get both of these out then real quick. Because I think they go by their numbers, I think. I don't know if they have it on here. Yeah, they do. But It looks like they don't have the rail number on there, so that's fine with me. I don't mind it. They're both from the same company that made it. So let's get this all out. Alright. So we got reading 80262. And then we got reading 880. Both of these cars are the same. They look really nice. I like it. Now, all three of these are the same coal cars, just different railroad brands and stuff. So, we'll set these on the side here. Then we got 4 more to go through. Then we'll get to the most one that I've wanted to wait and see. So, right here we got a Norfolk and Western boxcar, 40 foot, I think. I don't remember. I can take a look on the box and it'll tell me. 40-foot steel box. It's really nice. Norfolk and Western, 219, 42.4. Really nice. Really, really, really nice. I am a fan of all these so far. Should we go for the broken one first, or go for the last car that's not? Let's go for the last car that's not broken. There's 2 in the one box, the Athearn box. So, right here we got a Norfolk and Western caboose. It looks like it was custom done, or the company finally put a lot of detail in their stuff, because these are silver. I think someone really did this themselves, but I don't really know. It looks amazing. Whoever done this, if they did it, or the company, they did really well on this. I like it. So, that's that. Get the box put away. And then see what we can do from here about the broke ones. It's amazing. I might be testing all this out later on today. I'll make a separate video. And then we got... Oh, let's go for the non-broke. Nope, that one's broke. No, it just fell apart. Never mind. It's not broke. But one of these do need a cover for the coupler to stay on one of the sides. Both of these don't have one side on them, but the other sides are perfectly fine. It's just for how long they've been in the box and kind of bounced around and everything. I got the coupler, the cover to one, and that's it. The other cover is somewhere on the floor in the back, because I was trying to show her it and then it just fell right out. So got that. The one just needs fixed. It's not that much of a horrible problem. I think it's an easy fix. Everybody just kind of want to relax and not really fix stuff, so that's why it got sold to me for a cheap price. But take the wheel off for a second here so I can put the coupler back on. Probably bend the middle back in a little bit, not a whole lot, if I can. Watch it snap at me because it's not wanting to close. It's alright. You know why? Because I'm not giving up. It's best thing you can do is not give up. Alright. So we'll probably want to set this in first. And then put this over it. And it just snaps on is all I know. If it wants to. Dang. It's alright. Things like this happen. That's why I don't give up. Because it's an easy fix. To me it is. I don't know how easy it is to everybody else, but there we go. Back on, brand new. Shouldn't fall off whatsoever on my track. The other one, I just gotta go visit the store when they're open again. She's closed till Thursday. I think she's open Wednesdays, but I don't know. I might have to improvise and just cover it with some electrical tape like I've did for some of my other locomotives for the old ones. But right now, I don't have the cover for it, the silver cover. I don't have that for this side. So we're just going to improvise and use this as a temporary fix. But we're just going to move everything down except for the one Norfolk and Western broken one. We're going to bring it all down here, and we're going to hook it up, run it behind the BNSF locomotive, because I don't know if the one train that I got works. So I'm going to just wait and see what I can do. Why are you derailed? Sounds weird whenever it's on the track, not broken. Alright, well. Ooh. Goodness gracious. I hope it's okay. I don't know. Let's get you out here. This is just something I haven't really done before because I haven't really bought anything new. I normally would go to a shop and buy brand new ones. But like at the moment, I just haven't really felt the need to go to a store and pay 20 bucks a cart whenever I can get like cheaper ones here and there. The Milwaukee Railroad one, that one's hard to put on. Scared I was going to have that thing fall off for a second. I'll do a separate video fixing the broken ones, but I'll show you the broken train before I put everything away. I'll put the BNSF locomotive on, and I'll show you the cars running here real quick. So, sorry that little view of nothing there for a minute. So, not hooked up. Let's see here. Mess around with the couple just a little bit. See what we can do here. There we go. Now we're all connected. The caboose I might need to fix, because it likes rattling side to side. I don't know how well it'll do, but that's it for this. Looks like it's doing pretty well. We'll do another run by real quick. Of all the new passenger cars. Well, not passenger cars, but freight cars, you know what I mean. And that's it for today. Well, that's not really it for today, actually. Yeah, like I said, I was going to show you guys this. It might be DCC in sound, but I honestly don't know. I got it for 50 bucks, and she found it for 50 bucks online, so they got wires going to the tender like crazy. None of these are drive wheels, they just pick up power. The locomotive feels brass, it's cold. I don't know if that's good or not, but I know these are fine. I just need to figure out, this goes underneath that screw over here. This does. I just don't know where this, and this goes. But that's it for today. So if you like this video, that's awesome. You do you if you want to like and subscribe or watch the whole video. It's not my choice. Y'all have a great time. Peace out. Super Collector signing out.